You know that feeling when you wake up before breakfast and your mind is already on food, thinking about what you'll eat, how many calories is it, and maybe even start to feel guilty? Well, those are your thoughts that are self-sabotaging your day before it even begins. I'm going to share with you a morning reset routine that will get you out of this emotional eating before it even begins. When I was coaching women over 40, I noticed that they would count calories and obsess over what they're eating before their day even started and let it ruin their day. I'm going to share with you a non-negotiable morning routine that will get you started right. So what you want to do is when you first wake up, you want to have your journal ready and you want to write down your thoughts without judgment, your cravings with no judgment. So what am I thinking? What kind of emotions do I have right now? What cravings or obsessions or anything that comes to mind, and you write it down. Just take 5 to 10 minutes. Then what you want to do is hydration. You want to have 16 to 24 ounces of water. Go ahead and throw some lemon in there or lime. Just make sure you drink a nice full glass of water. And then you want to go on a walk. It could be 5 to 10 minutes or a nice long walk. Get your metabolism going and start your day, reset. The best thing to do is to have a ginger tonic. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make strawberry ginger tonic. So after that walk, you come back, you either have coffee or some herbal tea or ginger tea, and I'm going to have strawberry ginger tonic. So you cut up strawberries, and then we're going to put them in a Vitamix blender, and then you blend it out, and you strain it, and then you put it in the mason jar, and then it's good for a couple days, and you shake it up throughout that days. So make sure that they're always shook. And then you want to add like sparkling water or monk fruit if you want something sweet. I always leave that out because I prefer tart food and tart beverages and something that more mimics like wine. And it helps me curb my cravings. That's another key, is swapping your cravings with something that nourishes your body and not make you sick and leave you with the hangover like wine does. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut up strawberries. This is about 2 cups of strawberries. Want to add a little bit of pinch of pink salt. I don't have that. I'm going to use a little bit of pinch of sea salt. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, and then some apple cider vinegar, and then some turmeric. Now the pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric. And I'm just adding a dash. It's not going to, I highly doubt I'll taste it. And then I will share with you the end result so that you too can make this morning routine and stop the emotional eating before it even begins. Take your blender. This is what my blender looks like. And I'm going to put all of these in here. Oh my, looks like I have to make 2. Oh, that's more than I thought I'd have. That's all right. I already cut up the ginger in there and everything. So you want to add half of filtered water. So it looks like this. I don't know if you can see the water level. It's about, it's like there. I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a little dash of salt, pepper. I have to get the turmeric. Oy. Nice, and I'll have it with me. And then we're going to blend it. It blended nicely. It looks pretty tasty, actually. I'm going to try to blend more of my... Just give me a second here. I think I can fit it in there. Yep. I'll add a little bit of water. All right. I'll be right back. Here. And so you just keep going. And you know what? This is going to take a while. This is pretty thick. I'm going to come back when I'm done. So here is my Strawberry Ginger Tonic. Really good. Oh my. When I'm making it, it's really thick. I had to keep adding purified water. So just so you know, I think I did too many strawberries, but that's okay. I'm going to sit here because I got this, and honestly, it looks like I made no progress. So that's okay. I'm going to keep on going at it, but probably like 1 cup of strawberries and half a cup of water, most likely. Cheers. Tastes like a strawberry daiquiri with no hangover. So good. Anyway, if you like this recipe and the rest of my course, it's called 7-Day Radiant Reset. Comment reset and I'll send it to you. And if you're interested in my Radiant Walk, watch that video next and I'll see you there.